Hello, dear students. Today we are going to speak about research guide in our course Academic Writing. Plan of today's lecture. Characteristic of a good paper topic, thinking, brainstorming, doing research, theory statement, and conclusion. First of all, what is paper? Is sometimes understood as a research paper. It's a substantial piece of academic writing, usually is defined as an essay, written report, in which the author does independent research into a topic and writes a description and analysis of the findings of that research. Here you can see the structure of the essay and the structure of each paragraph. What are characteristics of a good paper topic? First one, your question doesn't have a simple answer. A good question has several alternative answers or no separate answer. In other words, there is no one right answer to your question. Your paper will give and justify your own best answers, and it will require research and critical thinking to do this. For example, why smoking should be banned? There is no one right answer on this question. There can be several answers, and you're these. The second one, the advantages of technology affect environment. Again, there is no right answer because some advantages can affect environment and some advantages can help to protect our environment. The second characteristic is your question is worth answering. The readers will care about the answer to your question. Your answer will have some significance. For example, does owning a pet improve quality of life for other people? It's just a question, and you are waiting to answer yes or no without any other research. If we choose a topic, in what ways does owning a pet improve quality of life for other people? Here you can some await what is the main theme of your research paper. So the third one, your paper will achieve its purpose. Your informative paper truly gives your readers a new perspective. Your persuasive paper succeed in developing your reader's view. Avoid topics in which arguments are mostly based on personal beliefs rather than reason and evidence. You are interested in the topic. You will spend a lot of time with this topic, so choose something that won't bore you or torture you. The topic is the right size for the length of the paper. Make sure you won't have too little or too much to say for the number of pages allowed. And here, connection with the next one, there is enough, but not too much information available in reliable sources. If you find too much information, you will need to narrow your topic further. If you find too little information, you should widen your topic. For example, foreign language education in Kazakhstan. This topic is too wide, even for master's dissertation, even for your diploma work. So you should narrow. You can choose the formation of foreign language education in Kazakhstan, or maybe foreign language education in Kazakhstan school. So, the next point of our lecture is thinking and brainstorming. When you have a topic, start brainstorming. First, write down all the possible answers to your question. Second, write down all the information, opinions, and questions you have about your topic. Brainstorming will help you see what you already know, what you think you know, and what else you need to find out about your topic. Writing things down also ensures that you won't forget any great ideas later. Although it's a really short section, it's a very important step. Here you can see some examples of mapping and brainstorming of writing your ideas. And doing research. Doing research takes time. Research is an ongoing part of the reading process. You'll start now doing general research to learn more about your topic, but you will continue doing research throughout the writing process. To make research more effective and less time consuming, you can do three things. Plan your research before you start. Set up and follow a research schedule. Give yourself a set amount of time to do your primary research. Start working on your paper and go back to researching later when you know exactly what you need to find. And immediately record source information. Write down the address or bookmark the web page of every good source, even if you are not sure that you will use it. You may want to later. And thesis. Very basically, it tells the person reading your essay what will be in it. It may also give you opinion if the question asks for this. It's the last sentence of your introduction. And the structure. Introduction, then topic sentence, then thesis statement, then main part. Inside of main part, we write supporting sentences, some 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe more, and conclusion. Quick thesis statement facts. Successful thesis statement provides readers with the main claim of your paper. It tells readers what your paper will be about, makes a claim that others may either agree or disagree with. Is a statement rather than a question. Is written in your own words. It's not a quote from a source. Generally appears at the end of your introduction. And there are one example of thesis. Psychologists have argued for decades about how a person's character is formed. Numerous psychologists believe that one's birth order, which is one's place in the family as the youngest, oldest, or middle child, has the greatest influence. Birth order can have a significant impact in the formation of a child's character. Here, the blue sentence is a thesis statement, contains the main idea that control the correct of the essay, content of the essay. Birth order can strongly affect one's relationship with parents, relationship with others, and how one views responsibility as an adult. The red one is subtopics. In the thesis or nearby will help the reader know how the essay will be organized. So we can understand that in our essay, we are going to talk about the significant impact in the formation of a child's character, his birth order. In the red one, the structure of our essay. First of all, we are going to talk about relationship with parents. Then we are going to talk about relationship with others. And then the last theme of our essay will be how one views responsibility as an adult. And another example. In other words, your thesis should identify the topic, the claim, and the major points you'll use in an essay to support the claim. If we took a topic, stress in the fast food workplace, major points will be physical problems, psychological problems, and emotional problems. So our thesis statement may be: stress in the fast food workplace has led to serious physical, psychological, and emotional problems for employees. Here in our thesis statement, the readers can have a quick overview of your essay. And here, also some examples for you. Which thesis is more acceptable to use? And example number 2. Again, what thesis is best and why? Here, examples given to you. You're required to give a topic for this introduction, and you're required to tell me where is the thesis statement is starting. The same work. And in conclusion, all the tips and the advances mentioned in today's lecture will provide you with necessary skills useful for writing in academic language. It's required not only understand the structure of a paragraph or an essay, but to have an ability to make important research work to summarize information got. Oh, thank you for your attention. That is all in today's lecture. Goodbye.